In today's business world, many organizations are realizing that their current working environment no longer fits with their work culture. But how can the two be reconciled? K&N can help. Our workshops offer a comprehensive solution to create a coherent connection between the working environment and the work culture. Together, we will look at the mega trends and talk about your values and what work culture means to you. Through these discussions, we raise awareness of the importance of the working environment being a reflection of the work culture. The next step is to conduct an employee survey to determine the status quo and the target of your work culture. In order to do this, we use our work culture map. At the same time, we look at everyone's sense of style, which is an important factor in working environments. We capture the sense of style with our STYLE.FINDER. The results will give us valuable insight into your employees' wishes and needs. This provides a clear picture of the current situation and the desired change. Now the concrete planning phase begins. We work with you to define the interior design and select the appropriate furniture. We create a working environment that best supports your work culture. Let us help you discover how the right working environment can increase productivity and employee satisfaction. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly. Together, we can shape the future of your work culture.